Roaster Gabrielle, I want to be in your race. Maybe I should practice one last time before the race?
That's a great idea, Mayor. And we'll cheer you on. Go, Mayor!
Let's see if the mayor's motorcycle will still work with an engine full of mud.
Oh no! Mud! I can't stop in time! Ah!
Start the car wash. 3, 2, 1.
But the car wash should have worked.
Maybe I'm just not meant to win the race.
Look! The super soap tank is filled with mud and cement. A muddy bucket?
And a bag of cement.
Speed Meister? I guess he wanted to make sure your motorcycle stayed muddy so you couldn't race.
This makes me want to beat Speed Meister even more.
And you will, Mayor Greatway. Let's bow wow build a super car wash.
Behold, the super car wash.
On your mark, get set, go!
Woohoo! Now that was an entrance!
Truffles! Truffles? Are you okay?
There she is in that pool of mud.
Oh no! She is in trouble! Truffles! Grab on! Why isn't she grabbing on?
Oh, you found Truffles.
We found her all right, but she's stuck in this mud and she won't let us save her.
I bet this mud feels good on your skin, huh? You trying to cool off?
Oh! That's why Truffles didn't like the barn. Truffles likes mud! Mud on my fur! It's okay. I'll clean up later. Right now, we have to build a barn filled with something you like. Mud!
Water tool!
The dirt is it! Mix, do your thing!
Ready, aim, water!
Builder Cove, meet my buddy Truffles!
Well, Truffles, do you like it?
Oh no! She doesn't like the mud?
Nope. I think she loves it. And that, my friend, is one happy pig. Rubble and Crew. Oh, hi, Omar.
Hello, pups. I'm whispering because I don't want Lucas and Lily to hear. Juniper and I want to surprise the kids with a new playroom. We're sort of running out of space here.
Hey!
Yeah! We'd love to build a... surprise playroom!
All right. We'll take the kids to the beach so you can get to work while we're gone.
Good plan, Omar.
Thanks a bunch, pups.
Time to make a playroom foundation. Ready, aim, concrete!
Grab it, lift it, move all 4 wood frames into place.
Almost home.
And I hope the pups are done. Ready, aim, paint! Everybody hide! Surprise!
We had Rubble and Crew build you a new playroom.
Whoa, a new playroom!
Thank you, Mom and Dad, and thank you, Pops. Woohoo! This swing is so much fun.
This is amazing!
Thanks so much, Pups.
We're happy to help.
Hey, Mayor Greatway. That was some rain, huh?
Now the town needs your help in a big, big, big way. It rained a long time in the mountains, and now all the water is flowing down towards the canyon that leads right into Builder Cove.
If we need to stop water, then we can build one of these. A dam. If it's tall enough, it'll hold the water and stop the flood. Woohoo! Yeah!
Let's bow wow build! Gotta make a big foundation. Digging up mud with my bud.
Brother duo!
Way to go, family. This dam is looking good. It's Mayor Greatway.
Pups, I have urgent news. The water is getting even closer to town, and it's getting higher, much higher.
Whoa, wait! Does that mean the water will be taller than our dam?
I'm afraid so. You gotta build it even taller.
Well, our Mixing Pro Mix can make more concrete to build a dam taller. No problem. Bye!
Okay, I put in cement, sand, water, and gravel. And now...
Oh no! The water is coming! I repeat, the water is coming!
Good thing I made this quick-drying concrete. Ready, aim, concrete! Once I'm done, we can take away the wood frame. The dam worked! The dam worked!
Well done, Rubble and Crew. Your dam protected Builder Cove.
Grandpa! Motor!
Hiya, pups.
Guess what? We're gonna build a giant ramp here in the barnyard so Lucas and Lily can sled on it. Motor help build. Pup-tastic. Let's bow wow build! Gonna build the ramp so high. Build it all the way to the sky!
Need a lift? Woo-hoo-hoo!
Ready, aim, load! Our super snowy slide is looking good. Now it's time to make the snow. I love the sound of mixing. Breaking up that ice into super small pieces, adding some water, adding some air, turning it into fluffy snow. Time to cover our giant ramp in snow so Lucas and Lily can sled. Woo!
Wow! Ready, Lily? 1, 2...
Go!
You're supposed to go on 3!